government of Telangana believes that progress is possible only when peace and harmony are maintained. Smart policing has been adopted by Telangana to deliver people-friendly and effective policing.
स्मार्ट पुलिस का मेरे मन में कंसेप्ट है. स्मार्ट पुलिस बेड़ा.
The objective of the government is citizen-friendly policing through transformational leadership. The Telangana Police has in the last 4 years made a significant progress in the transformation of the police force into a most modern and citizen-friendly police force.
చాలా కీలకమైనటువంటి వ్యవస్థ మన రాష్ట్ర పోలీస్ వ్యవస్థ. లక్ష్యం నెరవేరాలంటే ప్రధానమైనటువంటి సహకారం ప్రభుత్వానికి పోలీస్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ నుంచి అందవలసినటువంటి ఆవశ్యకత నేను మీకు విడిగా చెప్పవలసిన అవసరం లేదు.
The government aimed to rebrand Hyderabad as a global city with a view to attract global investments. Emphasis was laid on Hyderabad City Police, where a number of path-breaking policing initiatives were started. A policy of zero tolerance to crimes has been adopted by the police. The state government has accorded highest priority to the modernization of its 67,000-strong police force for achieving the dual objectives of being modern and people-friendly. With a view to take the government more closer to the people, the government has created 23 new districts in addition to the existing 10 districts. 104 new police stations and 50 new supervisory offices were created. Massive recruitment of police personnel has been taken up. 10,000 personnel have been appointed and 18,000 personnel are in the process of recruitment. Police stations across the state are being transformed into citizen-friendly service delivery centers. Rapid shift from the traditional setup to functional, verticals-based organization has brought about a complete transformation of the core police functions in the department. Each police station in the state has 17 functional verticals. 5 centers of excellence have been created and made operational in all the districts in the state. All police stations in the state are sensitive to the needs of the citizens, modern with technology and mobility, accountable and transparent with process standardization, responsive with soft skills topped up with appropriate training, with a view to ensure uniform delivery of services to all citizens at all times. Panjagutta Police Station has been awarded the second best police station in the country by the Government of India in January 2017. Adequate monthly budget has been provided by the government directly to the police stations to meet their daily expenses. The emergency calls for service over Dial 100 are being monitored for responsiveness and quality of service, while under 5-minute response time has been consistently maintained in the state capital. Response time of under 10 minutes for the entire state too has been achieved. Government has accorded highest priority for women's safety. She teams have brought in a significant change in the pattern of visible crime against women. Coupled with Bharosa and child-friendly court, Telangana She teams have created a safety net for the women and children.
Hawkeye, which gives location-based services, has become popular among women.
Petition management system enables the supervisory officers to monitor the grievance redressal of the citizens. A number of process-based IT initiatives were launched by the Telangana State Police. A state-of-the-art multi-agency command control center and technology fusion center is coming up in Hyderabad to bring together the services of other government departments by pooling and sharing of data. 20-storied building to house a world-class fusion center for the entire state is being constructed to integrate police, disaster response, and all related services. The bringing together of all technologies relevant to public safety will ensure inter-department coordination.
This is a fusion of all technologies. ఒక అద్భుతమైనటువంటి టెక్నాలజికల్ హబ్గా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది.
All the centers of excellence comprising of the functional verticals, not only of the police stations, but also from all the wings of the police department, will be the active stakeholders of the multi-agency center. Investigation Support Center is a process-driven center with subject matter experts available round the clock. It is a center of excellence in the Telangana Police Department. TS-COP is a world-class mobile solution to empower the frontline police officers with need-based intelligence. Hawkeye A citizen empowering application has endeared itself to the citizens, encouraging them to take up police work.
Hawkeye also has bundled services like online registration of tenants, drivers, and servants with the police.
Cop Connect, messaging application for all ranks of the police department, maintains the focus of police personnel on core policing work. Facial recognition system has been provided on the mobile devices. A video image enhancement for developing low-resolution video footages of crime scene has helped police detect several important cases. Clues. A mobile forensic evidence gathering unit has been set up for every 3 police stations to help the investigators in the examination of crime scene and gathering of physical evidence. Mobile fingerprint checking devices connected to the criminal databases are made available to all the patrol cars and investigators on their tablet computers for examining suspects. CDAT, a customized, non-invasive and evidence-based tool, helps the police in their crime prevention duties. A mobile-based e-petty case app has been launched across the state to bring uniform standards of compliance to laws. Tolai helps the police to manage the borders, nab the fleeing criminals at the entry and exit points. Automated Number Plate Reader (ANPR) application helps in track and trace of missing vehicles. Hotspot mapping enables the police to plan and formulate crime prevention strategies in their respective jurisdictions. Court monitoring application and Verify 24/7 application enable the supervisory officers to track and monitor the court process. Jail Releases Monitoring app keeps a tab on the movement of the criminals to prevent the commission of repeat offenders. A 360-degree profiling of all the repeat offenders is regularly maintained. Court duty officers conduct classes to the investigation officers and other stakeholders every Saturday on various aspects of prosecution. The ideas are freely discussed and documented. The Enterprise eCops application on CCTNS has reached maturation level, and soon all the key police functions will be managed from this platform. Police Force's work distribution and monitoring system helps in objective assessment of the work done. It enables the police personnel to record their task accomplished for the day and to get recognized. KPI-based monitoring and evaluation has resulted in a lot of transparency and enhanced the spirit of competition among the police personnel to excel in their field of work. Very Fast application has brought in a digital transformation among the field verifying officers, and the underlying processes have resulted in the state maintaining its top position in passport verification in the country for the last 5 years consecutively. Citizens are provided a chance to rate their police. An independent third-party call center has been set up to elicit the feedback on various facets of policing. This feedback is incorporated into the operational processes for enhanced service delivery. Community policing initiatives of Telangana Police are aimed at winning the hearts and minds of the people and encourage the citizens to take up police work. It takes into account the felt needs of the people for preparing a community police plan. This will also give a feedback to the community for a sustained partnership. Telangana government is setting up a citywide CCTV network with various advanced features and connected to a command control center in the state capital. Community CCTV project has resulted in establishing thousands of networked CCTV surveillance cameras in public places. Nenu Saitam is a people's movement for making Hyderabad a safe and secure city by installing standalone CCTV systems by the citizens themselves within and outside their premises. Social media is a tool in the hands of the people, and it can be better utilized to gauge the sentiment of the community and orient the police tasks towards mitigating such felt needs. All police stations in Telangana are active on the popular social media platforms. Telangana Police has brought the best practices around around the world to implement Integrated Traffic Management System (ITMS) for a smooth flow of traffic and a quicker ride. Non-contact based enforcement of traffic violations have enhanced the image of police. Body-worn cameras have taken the transparency to the next level. All the major events and other law and order issues are managed, recorded, supervised and tracked using the IT infrastructure. The goal of the police is to ensure normal life for everyone. Telangana Police has been able to instill a fear of certainty of getting caught and certainty of getting punished among the repeat offenders. Invoking the provisions of PD Act has created a fear among the criminals that commission of crime is no longer a profitable activity. All the efforts made by the government towards modernization have resulted in a significant drop in crime rate.
Law and order machinery is doing its best by way of technology, by way of physical policing, by way of providing an overall sense of relief and overall sense of safety. Significant improvement in law and order is one of the biggest victories, one of the biggest achievements of the government of Telangana.
Maintenance of law and order is a key determinant in Hyderabad being ranked the best livable city in India as per the internationally renowned Mercer's report. Continuously for the past 3 years, several awards backed by the police and recognitions within and outside the country have enhanced the image of the government. The enhanced quality of life, sense of safety and security have together resulted in creating a conducive environment for growth and prosperity, and these are but apparent indicators of the return on investment made by the government in police modernization.
యంగెస్ట్ స్టేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా బట్ ది గ్రేటెస్ట్ పోలీస్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా అనే కాడికి తెలంగాణ పోలీస్కు పేరు తెచ్చినందుకు డీజీపీ గారిని, వారితో పాటు ఉన్నటువంటి మిగతా ఆఫీసర్స్ని, డిపార్ట్మెంట్లో ఉన్న ప్రతి ఒక్క ఆఫీసర్ని కూడా నేను హృదయపూర్వకంగా అభినందిస్తా ఉన్నాను.
Telangana Police rededicates itself to ensure a safe and secure environment, enabling growth and prosperity of the state.
One state, one service, one experience for all citizens at all times.
People-friendly police, Telangana Police. People-friendly police, Telangana Police.